We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced names, some of the most mispronounced ones too. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. In some languages, this might be said as Elisa, as in French, for example, Elisa. But in English, this is usually pronounced as Elisa, Elisa, although some may pronounce it as Elisa or Elisa. But generally speaking, the most common pronunciation in English is as Elisa, Elisa. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.